Rope bowls are super fun to make and can be made on a domestic sewing machine so long as it has a zigzag stitch. Rope bowls can be used to organize sewing notions and projects or anywhere in your home, and there are a ton of ways you can customize them to fit in with your decor. To make a rope bowl, you'll need some cotton cording, macrame cord, or even some bulky yarn, denim needles, several spools of all-purpose polyester thread, and of course your sewing machine. The method for creating a rope bowl is simple. All you're doing is adding new rope to the body of a bowl with a zigzag stitch. Decide what shape you'd like the base of your bowl to be. To create a circular base, you will coil the rope until there's enough surface area to reach your machine's feed dogs. Secure the coil with a pin or two. To create an oblong base, you will fold the rope like this until there's enough to move it through your machine. Set your machine to a zigzag stitch. You'll need to experiment with the width and length of your zigzag stitch depending on the thickness of your rope. Starting in the center of your coil, anchor the rope together with a few back stitches. You will want your bowl to grow on the left side of your machine, so position the rope to feed from the right. Once the center is secured, you can begin adding new rope. Position your presser foot between the base and the new rope. Keep sewing until you reach your desired size. Once the base is the size you want, it's time to make the walls. It's a lot simpler than it seems. With your bowl still under the presser foot, bring the base up like this, then just continue sewing. Hold the base at a consistent angle, or play with the wall shape by varying the angle. To add a new length of rope, simply backstitch the end, then join a new length with a few back stitches and continue sewing. The same concept can be applied to changing your thread color. Just remember to secure with a few back stitches. There are a few ways to finish your bowl. You can tuck the rope under and backstitch, you can make a hang loop, or simply tie a knot. There are so many ways to customize a rope bowl. You can use different colored thread, change the shape and size of the base, make different sizes, add handles, straps, and closures, use different colored rope, dye the rope or finished bowl, add fabric shapes or wrap the rope in fabric, play with backstitching to create denser areas of color and patterns. You can even have fun with paint by painting the rope or painting the finished bowl. The possibilities are endless. What are you going to use your rope bowl for? Comment below to share. Happy sewing!